Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to upload theme in WordPress. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your WordPress dashboard, and after opening up your WordPress dashboard, you guys have to search up for appearances, and in appearances you guys have to search for themes. Just click up on these themes, and in themes you guys can design your own theme, or you can also install new themes from your custom files. You guys just have to drag and drop your custom file here for downloading the custom themes, or you can also edit the given themes of WordPress. Just like this is a free theme and I can edit it just like I want, just like navigation, styles, page, templates, patterns, and it's easy. And that's how you guys can easily upload themes in WordPress.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.